We decide how much climate change affects our lives. And unfortunately, at the rate we are going, we will no longer be able to deter climate change itself. Instead, we must adapt. In the state of California, the main cause of incline of wildfires is the burning of fossil fuels. Each year, the frequency and severity of wildfires are increasing at a rapid pace. In fact, in the year of 2020, the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection determined that the state burned more than 4.13 million acres. 9,200 structures were damaged and or destroyed, with a death toll about 31 people. To maintain the environment and keep it at a healthy pace, we can no longer rely on reducing our carbon footprint and emissions. Right now, we need to look at adapting within the state of California. This is why I decided to use California wildfires as a case study to educate current and future students. Using methods from Nature Lab resources, Ingenium, and Zen Education Project, I developed a hands-on approach for students. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to know how to explain why it is important to adapt to fires, care for seedlings to survive, and clear fuel sources from forest floor. Students will learn vocabulary that are important in the discussion of climate change adaptation. They will also learn how to adapt and mitigate with Venn diagrams thanks to Ingenium. Additionally, a photo gallery of before and afters will show you the devastation done to the environment. What can we do about it? How can we rebuild? Who is responsible? These are the questions that will be able to be answered within this specially designed lesson plan. Teaching students about climate change adaptability is important in preparing the newer generations for the outcomes of climate change. We may not be able to fix the environment that has suffered from the mass wildfires, but we can ensure that students know how to adapt, mitigate, and overcome wildfires in the future by bettering the environment around them.